Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out the rarest Mustang Fastback we've ever had here. This is a 1968.5 R code 428 GT Fastback. These cars are just very, very special, very hard to find. And that's because they only produced 1,044 R code 428 Mustangs in '68. They made them for 6 months, hence the 68.5. And this one's just very well restored, very correct, and very hard to find.
Yeah, beautiful car. Like, as you probably just mentioned, it's the first one we've had here, I think ever. Right?
Yeah. And only produced, like I said, 1,044. And most of those, most people bought them, bought them to just race, But really neat car. This one's factory GT as well.
And this one's just done to pristine condition.
Yeah.
Almost what I would probably call almost a trailer queen. The first time we got this off the trailer, we took it for a little spin. It kind of was one of those I just didn't.
You're kind of nervous to even drive.
I was nervous.
It's so nice.
I was nervous.
But you can just tell underneath the hood. I mean, everything's just right.
Yeah, very pristine, isn't it? We do have in the back, guys. We do have this system here too, but it does not have the factory valve covers on it. So this little piece here will not fit on there with a higher valve cover. But we have it, it's all painted just as nice as the rest of the engine, that kind of stuff. So
this stripe is super cool. Like I said, I haven't seen many of them, so I had to jump on Google and make sure that's correct. But yeah, it's the right R code stripe and hood.
And no matter how, even if something's kind of a trailer queen, if you drive them, remove them around at all, you get a little something. But there's just a little tiny little chip there on the edge of that fender. Very small. What a nice gap, front to back. The hood lines up great. As soon as I get done with this, Dee, we'll go over that Marty report. Back of the hood lines up awesome here. Nice gap from front to back. So gorgeous front end, horse and corral, GT fog lights, all that stuff is just pristine up front.
So this is the deluxe Marty report. Breaking it down, factory 428 had the GT equipment.
Got your window sticker there, 428. Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
All this will be pictured on our website as well, for you to go up there and take a closer look at. But
besides a color change and a transmission's change, this is a pretty darn correct car.
Yeah.
I love the wide oval F70 14 Firestones. They look great on there. Beautiful body, gorgeous paint. Make sure you go to our website, CoyoteClassics.com, not only to look at the Marty report and the rest of the information, but check out that undercarriage. The undercarriage is gorgeous as well. Of course, on the inside, we have a full down rear seat. The correct dual exhaust tips, all the chrome, the bumpers, the trim, lenses, gas cap, everything is brand new back here. The stainless and chrome is gorgeous. Bottom of the door lines up great at the very bottom corner there in the front edge of the quarter. No paint issues anywhere on that door. Look at that, huh? If you're looking for a very nice R code, and you want one in that Candyapple red, our dome lights work as we open up the door. The courtesy lights are coming on under there, front and back, just like they should.
Just gorgeous. Even when you look at the door jamb paint, anytime somebody restores a car like this, they want to do a nice job, and this they sure did. Door jamb paint's just as nice as the exterior paint. You can tell everything was taken apart and just done to a very, very high standard.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more, Dalton. And as far as the padding and the seats has all been redone. The door panels are gorgeous. Headliner, all the interior pieces have been painted correctly. Headliner's super tight. And as we come in here, check out the inside quality of the door down here, rust-free. Every single piece of this was completely painted off the car. They did a great job. Got a little antenna here. The other thing that we haven't done The other thing that needs to be done yet is we have the original AM radio in here, but it has the kick panels for the speakers. Just needs some speakers put in, but they're the new kick panels for it. It's got the correct 4-speed shifter, beautiful steering wheel. Gauge cluster is gorgeous as well. Kind of cool, Dalton. This one's not a factory tag.
Yeah.
Pretty neat. But yeah, everything is just absolutely pristine.
Even the glove box, we had left nothing untouched, and there you go.
Inside the trunk, all looks nice and solid in there too. Got the trunk mat. Over the wheel wells is awesome. Obviously 67, 68 GTs and 65 and 6 never came with a wheel well trim. Bottom of the door fits awesome on both sides. Pretty much the same exact fit there in that corner. No paint issues, chips, nothing like that. We're gonna be very careful here when we take this one for a drive. It's even got, I mean, like I said, they even did the washer squirters and everything in here.
Yeah.
All new rubbers, all new door handles, new rubbers around the door handles. We got the, it's got the original tag in with the Marty report and all that stuff, and this is an aftermarket one here too. Just kind of cleaner, you know. Corner of the doors are perfect. I mean, just even the rubbers, they didn't use any half-ass rubbers or nothing either. You know what I mean? It's all top of the line stuff. It just fits excellent. Strikers, brand new strikers. You know what I mean?
Yeah. They spent.
Got the nice retractable seat belts like it should have. And they're beautiful and clean. Nothing's perfect, but this car's pretty damn close.
Yep, it is.
I'll give you one more little from the visors are nice, headliner, all the interior pieces. These open and close here. All right. Take it for a spin, huh? So I'm really liking the steering wheel.
Yeah, it's nice.
Here's your fog lights. Heater fan works.
Original
No way.
Felco radio still works too.
Did you know that? I didn't.
I did. We didn't test that the first time.
I mean, that's the quality of this car, guys.
Yep.
Original Philco radio works. If you want to put speakers down here to have a little better AM, Rush Limbaugh or something, to use a little louder, you can. But it has 90,000, 37 miles on the odometer. Oil pressure gauge works. Gas gauge works.
This is one that would be fun to take off and go fast in, but we're going to be nice to it on our test drive.
And we are. We're going to be very nice to it. We got a couple nice ones we're doing videos today, D.
Yeah, really nice satellite. 57 Chevy. But this one's just
Cream of the crop.
yeah, one of the, you know, those blue chip cars.
It's so awesome though.
Yeah,
isn't
it is. It's cool.
I mean, like I said, trailer queen, but this is, if I want a car for myself to drive and enjoy, I want one that's a trailer queen. I want one that's gorgeous, but still, you can drive it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Gas gauge is working great. Oil pressure is going over towards the high side. The only we don't know yet is that temp gauge works, so we'll talk to you about it in a little bit here. Driving like you stole it.
Yeah.
What else do you do with the 68R code?
Yeah, you kind of have to.
I mean, that's what they were designed to do, guys.
Exactly.
Driving like you stole it.
These things are just cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. The only thing I noticed is we got a couple little squeaks. We'll try to, a couple little tiny little rattles, squeaks on the inside here.
Yeah.
That's also, it's just probably all the bushings and, you know what I mean? Everything's
brand new. Yeah.
I don't even know if this thing has much for test miles on it.
We
We got it in, everything. We didn't really have to do a lot to it. Had to do a little brake work in the front.
And all that was new too. Mike said all the brakes were just brand new. They just needed adjusted. You know, like it just
Yeah.
never really got any miles on it, restored it, and probably just looked at it. You know, it's one of them kind of cars.
Oh, that's what it is.
Man.
Hey, and these are the G70 tires. They're awesome.
Yeah,
I mean, it's got a great ride.
it does. It's a special, special car. Go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. Check this thing out. If you're looking for a showstopper, this is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, I hate to interrupt you. One more last thing. The temp gauge is starting to come up.
Perfect. Everything works.